In this presentation, we will demonstrate how to change an ink cartridge in a Noritsu Green series printer. All current Noritsu inkjet printers use the same ink cartridges and are loaded in the same manner. When an ink cartridge requires replacement, an attention message will appear notifying the operator as to which ink cartridge needs replacement. For this demonstration, we will be replacing the cyan ink cartridge as an example. If you do not have a replacement ink cartridge available, leave the empty cartridge in the printer until a new cartridge is available. The printhead could become clogged if the printer is left without an ink cartridge installed. On the QSS Green and QSS Green 4, the ink cartridges are located on the lower right-hand side on the front of the printer. On the QSS Green 2 or QSS Green 3, the ink cartridges are located behind the middle door on the left-hand side of the printer. We will start by removing the empty cyan ink cartridge, as that what was indicated by the attention message. On a QSS Green 2 or 3, you will need to open the ink cover door to access the ink cartridges. Note that the ink cartridges are pressurized while in use. If you wish to change an ink cartridge before the empty message appears, you will need to open the printer front or top cover and wait 30 seconds for it to depressurize. Remove the new cyan ink cartridge from its box and its blue plastic packaging. Take care not to touch the small PCB or ink supply valve hole when handling the ink cartridge. Verify that the new ink cartridge is the same color as the one that has been removed. The ink cartridge and support frame are keyed to help prevent the wrong cartridge from being inserted in the wrong direction. Carefully slide the new cartridge into position, making sure it is completely seated in the printer. Do not force the ink cartridge. If the cartridge does not install easily, make sure the correct type of cartridge is being installed. On a QSS Green 2 or Green 3, you can now close the ink supply door. Most printers will recognize that the cartridge has been replaced. However, if the error attention message remains, select the Yes OK button to continue. If you need more help, the built-in help menu is an excellent source. Select the desired help button, then select the Show button to expand the menu. There are multiple tabs that index the help menu. The Search tab is the easiest way to find a topic. Simply type in the topic you are looking for, in this case ink cartridge. A list of related topics will appear. Highlight the most relevant one, then select the Display button. This displays the entire ink cartridge replacement procedure, step by step. To make this procedure easier to find in the future, you can add this topic to the Favorites tab. Simply select the Favorites tab, then select the Add button. Several topics can be saved here for future reference. For more information, you can contact the Noritsu Technical Support Hotline or email us at tech_support@noritsu.com.